In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can create your first database in SQL Server. Now the first thing that you want to do is connect to your server. So if you install it on your computer, here for server name, you're going to specify the name of your local computer. If you don't know the name of your computer, you can go to System and then select Home in System, and then here at the top it will tell you the name of your computer, and you'll enter it exactly as shown, and then select Connect. Then you're going to expand databases to see the list of databases that are available on your computer. Now to create a database, right click the database folder, select New Database, specify the name of your database. Let's maximize this a little bit. Now please pay attention to the path location. The path is where your data files will be stored. So if it's on your local computer, it's okay to keep them on the C drive, but if you're creating this in an organization, you want to ensure that you put your data on the drive that is designated for it and your log file that is designated for it. And then you can go ahead and select OK. And this is your database here. Now to create your first table, you can go ahead and expand, right click, tables, and then select new table. Now to create a table, you have three options, right? Using the graphical interface. You have the column name, the data type, and the option to allow nulls. Now the column name is just simple, the name of the column that you want to create, and the data type is the type of data that you want to store, let's say an integer. And then allow nulls is simple saying whether this column can be empty or not. And then in order to save your table, you can select Ctrl S or hit the save icon at the top of the screen. Then specify the name for your table. I'm going to keep the name as table 1 and select OK. Then expand, and you can see the name of the table that was created. And that's basically it. For more training, you can check out my Udemy courses. The link is in the description of this video.